Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that's what I believe to be a 12-inch round canvas. I'm going to use Prizm Pour and Primary Element paints from Colour Arte today. I have some Walmart semi-gloss and an idea of what I might want to do, but I see there's a lump in there and I might want to grab it with a pair of tweezers. Goodbye lump. Now the reason I put less paint on is because I've actually enlisted some square edge, some flat edge containers. And I expect that to make up the difference in the paint. Like I've been watching Shelley or Sheila or some variation on that theme. So the colors that I made up were P.E.Sea Dancer and Passion, and they're primary elements. But I want to start with something I just made now, which is a primary element, and it's called Firefly. And it has the most incredibly iridescent pinky purple color. Just mind-blowing. This is P.E.Sea Dancer. And that's the way I've been seeing it done. Cover that up, and they're mixed with primary elements. Excuse me, they're mixed with vivid enamel. This is the Passion. I don't think I have the right containers, so I'm not going to tell you where to get them or anything. But I'm sure you can find them from Floetrol Co. I want another color in there. What is it? Oh, you know what I've got? I've got leftover beautiful blue paint from yesterday. This is probably a combination of all kinds of things, including Midnight Shadow and variations on that theme. Let me think. I can't think. I don't think there's any frozen in there. I'd have to actually look at my stash. I'm going to use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I might have to put some more colors down there. I might put some gold in there yet. Okay, that's going in my bucket. Now, do I want some gold? I have some solar flare. Which isn't coming out terribly well. And I think I might indulge myself in a little bit of, oh, I need to make more French silk, so I'll just use some of the Chantilly lace. Which is also not coming out well. Which means I have some pearl, mother of pearl. I have morning light. Perfect. Which will probably be beautiful. And I want some Carnival right across the center. And I have also got, and this could get weird, some sour lemon with some orange crush in it. And my paint seems to all want to tip the wrong way, so I'm going to move it back. Wow, that was unexpected. Alright, I've got Amsterdam Black, Cell Activator mixed in Aussie Floetrol. Nothing seems to be as open as I wish it were right now. And I'm going to use some of my P.E.O. iridescent gold. And move all my paint right off my palette knife onto the canvas. It looks like I got a lot too much paint on there, but that doesn't matter right now. What does matter is that I do something interesting with it. That's not going to stay no matter what I do. I'm just going to spin it out and see what starts. I might want to drag some of it somewhere else, like in a transfer. And I've got palette knives standing by. I need a scrape dish and I have one. Just makes me want to scrape up all the paint. I like how that looks. Definitely learned what too much paint is. Let me just go in here. Kind of like that. That was a little more brown than I had anticipated. This reminds me of something Nikki D has done, only hers are much prettier than mine. Oh, I've got a straggler, but at least I got it out now. Now my tendency is to want to just go ahead and grab some ginger flower cell activator like I just did and put it on the bottom and use one of my little acetate tools. I'm going to do that and use some white. Also. It's a little different. It's definitely a little different. Use some of my spilled paint. See if I can get it all the way up into the picture without. Now it's true, I'm going to have to do something about all that paint. Leave it to me to overdo it the first time. Well, let me throw a few spirals in. They always help my morale. Oh wow. Okay, well that doesn't belong. See ya. Alright, that's not ugly. I'll try and shimmer it at you. I might spin it out one more time. And I love these little acetate tools for picking up paint, which I will definitely have to use on something. As you can see, it's not that difficult to do. As soon as you get it loaded. I suspect this is going to be very iridescent. I do want to save this paint with this. If I don't include the recipe, the tutorial for creating these acetate tools, just ask me. I've got it handy. that was a lot of extra paint. So I'm no expert for sure. How fast can I spin it? And do I want to tweak it any at all? Wow, that really did get going. And I like it. And it's beautiful. Cool. I'll be picking up paint in a moment. I've got some really huge cells. And for the first one out of the square edge containers, I'm not unhappy at all. I'm going to have to put all that paint in something else though. For sure, for sure. I will be piercing bubbles if I find them with the sharp end of a skewer. So that was very interesting. I'm hoping it's mostly in view. And I'm going to sparkle it at you. Shimmer. That's pretty. That's very pretty. That firefly is amazing. I like it. I'll be doing that again. I kind of want to grab my skewer and put a couple more spirals in. I found another thing that does not belong, and it's coming out right now. Must have been in the paint, in the white paint. There. I'll give it one more spin out, so maybe it won't dry too heavy. I usually use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, but I'm not 100% sure yet that it's in the white. But that's really pretty. So thank you guys for joining me. I love you much. Oh, my turntable is going to town. Can I put something in there to stop it from moving? Not sure. We'll give it a try. Alright, I hope you come again. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Sorry about the mess. I do sell my artwork. I have below the video, I have Teespring clothing, spring clothing. And my link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group is for students. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do sell my artwork. I think I said that twice. And I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I might be able to give a lesson on this pretty shortly if I get any better at this. That would be good. Thank you for the kind words, comments, and compliments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for visiting my community board to see what tomorrow's video is. I have 2,600 videos and they are on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists that you can find in that order if you go to my YouTube channel, or you can just ask me for a playlist. I'm happy to help you. I have them organized by topic and genre and by the 100. There's all kinds of other stuff on the Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. I said that already. The Gallerist and Society 6 are well worth visiting. Please feel free to visit. And if you ever want to have a design added to something, let me know and I will do my best to add it. If I can, I will. And I have 2 books on the Amazon link where if you shop there, it's not what it costs to you. Please know that there is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Colour Arte products. And I am an affiliate, so if you decide to do some shopping there, you'll help me out and be nice to support Colour Arte. I'd like to see them succeed in a big way. I love their products and I use them happily. Alright, I'll speak to you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.